Welcome. If you're wondering how to unblock someone from your page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process has changed a little, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back in touch with anyone you've previously blocked. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once the app loads, look up to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on your picture to access your personal menu. From the drop-down menu, find and select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Choose Settings from this list to move forward. Now you're inside your account settings. Scroll down on the left-hand side until you spot the blocking section. Click on Blocking, then select Edit to manage your blocked users list. Next, you'll land on the page where you can take action. Click on See Your Blocked List to view everyone you've blocked on Facebook. You may have to scroll a bit if you have a few people on the list. Once you see the list, there's a search bar. Type in the name of the person you want to unblock. This makes it easier to find them if you're looking for someone specific. Found the person you want to unblock? Click on the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation message will pop up. Just to make sure you really want to unblock this user. If you're sure about your decision, click Confirm. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone from your page using the updated Facebook app on your PC. Remember, once you unblock a user, you'll have to wait a period before you can block them again. So use this feature thoughtfully. Thanks for following along.